Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Redmi 13x. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause interference, but don't do that. I'll show you why. Basically, when your screen protector is poorly applied or it's misaligned, then it's a good time to get rid of it, because it can actually not fix the touchscreen and not fix the security, but it can only damage your phone because it can make the touchscreen less responsive. And moving on to the case is with those little bezels right here. So as you guys can see, if it's covering the screen, then that might cause the issues. So we don't want it covering the screen because it can cause our screen to be less responsive. And if that's the case for both of them, then I recommend you guys removing it. If not, then you're good to go. And after that, what you guys can do is clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So grab your microfiber cloth if you've got one, the soft cloth will do too. But now let's just give it a few swipes. And as you guys can see, now it's much better. After that, what you guys can do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now we need to scroll down to reboot, and I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now after the system restart, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any glitches. So I'm talking about the touchscreen not responding. We need to go over to the settings now, and in those settings we need to click on About Phone. It's right up top, but we need to give it a second to load. So click on About Phone. Now after clicking here, you will need to click on Xiaomi HyperOS and make sure that you're running the latest version. If you do, just like me, then you will see the no updates available showing up on your screen. If not, then you need to update, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your touchscreen not responding. So what you guys can do as a last resort is to factory reset your device. So go over here to the About Phone. Now scroll down to Backup and Restore, and first make sure that you back up your phone to either mobile device or computer. You can also use the Xiaomi Cloud or the Google Backup, but I recommend backing it up locally because you will still use the phone. Or if you're planning to sell it, then I recommend you guys backing it up on the Google Backup. So now after that, go to Factory Reset, click on Erase All Data, and here enter your password if you have one, and click on Factory Reset. After that, your phone will delete everything, including your personal information, your downloaded apps, photos, videos, and etc. So make sure that you back up, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.